Mistake number 1, not having a budget. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and get into debt. Take a time to create a budget and stick to it. Mistake number 2, ignoring your credit score. Your credit score is important to getting loan and credit cards. Monitor your score regularly and take steps to improve it if needed. Mistake number 3, not having for emergencies. Unexpected expenses can happen at any time. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved in emergency fund. Mistake number 4, taking on too much debt. It can be tempting to take out loan and use credit card to fund your lifestyle, but this can lead to cycle of debt. Be mindful of your debts, working to pay it off as soon as possible. Mistake number 5, not having for future. Investing earlier can have a big impact on your long-term financial goals. Start small and learn the basic investing.